Hey everyone, I'm Rick and welcome back to the channel. Imagine this. It's a scorching summer afternoon. You're craving that perfect crunchy nugget ice for your soda or cocktail, but your fridge only spits out boring cubes that water everything down. Enter the Newair Nugget Ice Maker countertop, a sleek self-cleaning beast that pumps out 26 pounds of chewable Sonic-style ice daily, ready in 5 minutes, no plumbing needed. Sounds like ice heaven unlocked, right? Well, today we're chilling with this Amazon gem, and let me tell you, it could turn your kitchen into a nugget nirvana without the drive-thru hassle. If you're over cloudy cubes or expensive bags, stick around. By the end, you'll be hooked on the crunch. And hey, grab it through the link in the description to support the channel at no extra cost to you. Let's ice it. First, let's break down the features that make the Newair Nugget Ice Maker a total chill champ. This compact unit is 15 by 10 by 16 inches, fits any counter, and weighs 34 pounds. Easy to move. No installation, just fill the 3-quart water tank, plug in, and it starts producing soft, chewable nuggets in under 5 minutes, up to 26 pounds in 24 hours. The side tank adds extra capacity without refills, and the self-cleaning function runs a 5-minute cycle with a button push, keeping it fresh and mold-free. It has a clear lid to watch the magic, LED controls for ice full or add water alerts, and a removable ice basket plus scoop. BPA-free materials mean safe sips, and it runs quiet at under 50 decibels. The compressor cools without frost buildup, and the first batch is ready fast. I tested with water, flavored infusions, and even juice. Nuggets stayed perfect, absorbed flavors, no jams. Overall, it's effortless elegance that blends pro nugget performance with home convenience for daily drinks or parties. Now onto the pros and cons, because real cubes help you chill smart. On the pro side, the nugget ice is addictive, soft, crunchy, perfect for any drink, and the machine makes it non-stop without plumbing. Users love the fast 5-minute start, self-clean ease, and the side tank for 44 ounces extra. At around $150, it's a steal for Sonic-style quality with quiet operation and easy storage. Reviewers rave about the clear ice window and how it elevates cocktails or sodas. Bottom line, it amps hydration, cuts bag buys, and feels luxurious without the label. The cons, fairly melted, $150 bites for occasional users, though cheaper than counter peers long-term. The tank needs daily refills for heavy use, and nuggets melt faster than cubes. Great for chew, but plan drainage. A few noted the basket fills quickly at 3 pounds, needing empties, and it's not insulated for long hold. No flavor added directly, use infused water. These are minor melts in a frozen gem. So do I recommend the Newair Nugget Ice Maker? You bet, especially if you love nugget ice daily, hate refills from stores, or want self-clean convenience. The pros like fast production and chewable joy far outweigh the cons for families, party hosts, or drink fans. It's a kitchen must that pays off in smiles. If that's your vibe, click the link in the description right now to snag it on Amazon. Best prices and deals await. Quick shout out, if these ice wins get you chilling, subscribe and turn on notifications for more kitchen cools. And click that affiliate link. It keeps the nuggets flowing at no extra to you. Finally, a quick reminder, grab the Newair Nugget Ice Maker through the link below for the best pricing and our special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks for watching, team. If this crunched your cravings, give it a like, share with an ice buddy, or subscribe for more. Happy chilling.